Hey, what up there, pimps? Today we're gonna be checking out some cards in my beautiful Gladiator Beast box. This is a nice box, and I don't know, this is my decks. This is for Oli, this is for everyone. Let's go! Alright then, let's get started. So, first we've got, I guess we'll start off with, nah, we won't start off with the main deck here. A good deck. Yeah, we'll do... gross. Yeah, okay, we'll do my Elemental Hero deck here. So we'll start off with the main deck, and then we'll go into extra deck. Alright, so first off... oh, I don't know how to do this here. We've got Battle Fusion, Elemental Hero Wild Heart, Change of Hero Reflector Ray, Hero Barrier, Fusion Gate, Polymerization, Hero Flash, Oversoul, Hero Signal, Fusion Gate, Pot of Greed, Avion, fix the zoom, fix it, alright, Avion, Skyscraper, Woodsman, Burstinatrix, Cyber Dragon, Polymerization, just, those are real cards. Emergency Call, Hero Barrier, Neos, Oversoul, oh my gosh! Oh my god, I fucked that up. Oversoul, Flash, Avion, Beast King of the Swamps, Necroshade, Polymerization again, Sparkman, Cyber Dragon, Lightning Vortex, Cyber Dragon, Mirror Gate, Righteous Justice, Dimension Explosion, Clayman, Sparkman, Future Fusion, Branch. Some of these cards have been through the wash and also been laminated, so they're a bit rough. Heated Heart, Burstinatrix, Bubbleman, Dandelion, Wild Heart, Feathershot, Mirror Gate, and Clayman for the main deck. Alright, now we'll look at the horribly broken and probably not functioning, well-functioning extra deck. So here they are here. Here's my extra deck. We've got... oh. Alright, we've got Electrum here, Cyber Twin, Great Tornado, Mariner, Wild Wingman, oh, I can't read this, Phoenix Enforcer, Glow Neos, oh my god, I can't read these, Overtech Dragon, or Overdragon, Twin again, Gaia, Mudball Man, Shining Flare Wingman. Look at this. I got this from a 10 years ago, and of course it went through the wash and I cried. But I dried it out and good as new. Look at that, perfect. Just a coat of lamination, fixes everything. Beautiful card. Lots of memories there. Necroid Shaman, Cyber End, Rampart Blaster, Thunder Giant, Mudball Man, and Inferno, which I don't think I can even make, but dang. Okay, that was one of the side decks, so we'll just put these off somewhere. Here, we'll put them here. Oh, here. Alright. Now let's go, a lot of these aren't really decks. This is just, I'll show it to you, I guess. This is just the stock Six Samurai deck from like 2012 or 13 or something. I think maybe from a bit earlier, honestly, but I don't know. Lots of good stuff. Lots of staples. Well, maybe I added some things in this, I can't remember. But that's alright. Cool deck. Yeah. Some Xyz monster at the very end there. I know you said Xyz monsters, but that would be wrong! Alright, next up I think we've got This is like a light fairy deck, which again is pretty stock, just like a standard structure deck. But I think definitely I fucked with this a little bit. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I added... Where? Oh, maybe I added him... I don't know. Gosh, dang it. And maybe dang it! I don't know. I'm a fool. Okay. Alright, what else have we got in here? I think the rest is just loose cards. But, oh, okay. Oh, dude, my Crystal Beast deck, which doesn't work and also is very, very limited in its... Alright, Crystal Beast deck that doesn't work. Let's go. Heck yeah. It's mostly spell and traps, I think. I mean, I think it could last a little while. Snipe Hunter, a classic card. I don't know if that should be in here. That should be somewhere else. But let's keep going. Let's keep going. Heck yeah. This is a crazy, crazy deck. That's a McDonald's card or whatever. Pretty chill. I don't have a Rainbow Dragon, so it doesn't really work. And then I guess last off with like the structure decks is this gear deck, which I don't really know very well. I think these are extra deck cards. They should be thrown out and then trash. No, Xyz is okay. I like Xyz. Let's go. Let's go here. Sorry, I'm rushing through. I'm excited to show you my real deck. But this isn't bad. I haven't won with it yet, but I've only versed Joel. Joel's cheap friggin' cyber deck. I don't want to talk about it. Joel's a cheater. We all know it. Oli knows it. Joel's a cheater. Okay, okay, well, just to warn people here, this, my main deck here, my Fiend / Dark / Removal deck is crazy strong, and I'm just prefacing this. This is a warning, okay? This deck is perfect. Alright, the main event here, we've got my perfect deck. Dimensional Prism. I can't read. Gravekeeper's Descent. I can't read. Descendant. Brain Control. Rise of the Storm Monarch. Bottomless Trap Hole. Torrential Tribute. Gold Sarko. Gravekeeper's Guard. Dimensional Fissure. This is a lot of monarchs. A lot of survivors. I think I might even have some fairies in here, which is a bit weird, but let's see. Oh my god, they're all getting stuck! You're missing my sick cards! I'll start this again. I'll start this nonsense again. Alright, let's go! Alright, we got D-Fish, we got... I don't want to get my cards eaten together. Alright. Riser, DD Survivor, Dimensional Fissure, Gravekeeper Spy, Book of Moon. What is happening here? Cyber Valley, Mirror Force, Book of Moon, Dark Hole, Riser, blah blah blah. There we go. Caius. My main man, the king of this deck, my Caius. Mystical Space Typhoon. Pot of Greed. Gauze, the Emissary of Darkness. That's from a weird... Is that from Yu-Gi-Oh! R or whatever that's called? That weird spin-off manga? Where Yugi like fights a tower or something. Lure of Darkness, Macrocosmos. Caius again, beautiful boy. Spirit Reaper, Cyber Valley. Allure of Darkness. Okay, I've got my last... Alright, best cards coming up now. Allure of Darkness. Soul Exchange. Macrocosmos. Okay, first of all, I think there should be a third Caius in here somewhere. But then next we have... Oh, we got my beautiful, beautiful Obelisk the Tormentor here. With effect, not stupid friggin' Vegas Egyptian text. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. King Obelisk. What a beautiful boy. Hell yeah. And then finally, We have Darkly Big Rabbi. I only pull this out when I'm really serious, but this is my best card. Look at that. Attack. Hold on. I mean, do you see what I see? I see a beautiful card with infinity attack. And I see an unstoppable force. This card is amazing. I love it. I love it so. When the Beelzebub seal was untied, any enemy will be destroyed at minute. That's fierce. Do not fuck with my Darkly Big Rabbi. He'll kill you. Well, aside from me apparently missing one of my 3 Caiuses, those are the greatest decks in the whole wide world. And I just use them to play casually. I'm not following any rules. I'm not following any formats. It's just me and my cards. And I'll duel anyone, anytime. Well, I guess that's the end for now. Kind of missing some of my cards. Like, where is my Caius? Where is my Caius? Do you have it? Give me my Caius. But anyway, just closing statements here. I'll go any one of you. Any one of you. I'll go ya, okay? Bring it on. The ultimate cards.